Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Guys, today in this video I'll be starting from the point where I left out in the previous video. So let's move on. I'll open a part and I'll open active the sketcher part. So select a planes. Before that I have to define the unit. I'll be choosing millimeters. Select a planes. In this video I'll be talking about different kind of arc. Now you can see here you are having here three types of arc. So this all you can use according to your requirement and the input given in your designs. So first you can see here center point arc. If you click on this center point arc, so first I have clicked on this point, that is the center of this arc. Now you can see here this is your arc radius. From this point to this point, this distance is your radius of the arc. So this is what we are telling, that center point arc. Next I'll be talking about three-point arc. In the three-point arc, so you need to click on the first point, this is second point, and this is your third point where you want to click it. Next you can see here I skip here one more thing, that is called tangent arc. For drawing the tangent arc, you need to draw one more line there, so which will be tangent to that lines. Like suppose I have here this lines and I want to create a lines which I want to create an arc which will be tangent to that. So for that what you need to do, you need to click on the end point of this. Now you can see here you can easily create the tangent arc. But in my line video I have told you that how to create a tangent arc by using the line itself. Like you can see once again here itself I'll be taking the lines, start from this point, click on a point. Now suppose here I want to create a tangent arc. So for that what you need to do, I need to just click I need to come back to this end point and keep the mouse cursor, then move it. Now you can see you can easily generate the tangent arc. So it's totally depend on your requirement how you want to, and once you have learned everything you can go with the any method whichever you feel suitable. Now I'll be moving with some other predefined profile that is called slot. You can see inside the slot we have here four kind of slot. First is straight slot. Straight slot in the sense I'll be giving here center to center distance. Now you can see here this is why this dimension is coming, because here you can see here we have the options, add dimension option is selected. So if you don't want you can uncheck this and then you can go for this options once again. Now you can see here for this there is no dimension, so everything is totally depend on your requirement. And one more thing you can see here, so how you wants to get the dimensions. Here you can see from center to center and diameter. For this you can see here overall dimension. If you want you can go through this also. Now you can see here the overall length and the diameter. So this according to your requirement you can select any one. Now we'll be moving into the center point straight slot. So the name itself you can understand the center point. So the first point where you will click, that will be the center point of the slot. Now you can see the remaining things are same as it is with the previous one. Next you can see here we have the options 3-point arc slot. Just now we have learned that how to create the 3-point arc. So here also same, first you need to generate the 3-point arc and automatically it will create the slot. Now this is my first point, this is my second point, and this is my third point, and you can see here this is what your center point arc. This is your 3-point arc. This is your 3-point arc slot. The last one you can see here, center point arc slot. The same way you have to create a center point arc. Suppose this is my center point and this is my arc. So after that, see, the last one is center point arc. So already we have learned that how to create the center point arc. This is the center and this is my center point arc, and you can see here this is center point slot. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. To get such kind of more videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icons. Thanks for watching. Happy learning and have a nice day.